ನಾವೀಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಶೋ ಇದೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಯು.
Yes. Enkul baidini sangi might kartana bandonji posat konkani video album release avondundo. So 5:30 premiere start apod baka release avon Loison Cordana song undi anna second time arna project direction baka concept right Malpuni. So this particular project is really dear to me because the entire scripting, screenplay and the direction is done by me, of course assisted by my dear friend DJ Mervin. Why it is special? Because I have casted my husband in it. So I've literally directed him and he has obeyed me quite well. And the story is cute. It has a very fresh concept. And it's nice, so you just have to wait and watch. So we thought instead of watching on our phones, that generally we do, so I said why not come to a space where the entire team can come and watch the premiere together. It might be just a small project, but it is very important for all of us. We have an elderly couple, not elderly yes, but we have a couple, that's my best friend's parents, who are also parents like me. Parents for me, not like me, for me. Sorry. So we have casted them as well. So it's very beautiful, and this is Rohan and Pawan's space right here. It's called Boat Gaming Cafe, which is situated at Mallikata. If you can see around the space, it has a nice screen. It has nice seating as such. So if you have any premiere stuff happening, if you want private screening, you can come along with your friends and family, just chill out, or forget about premieres and whatever. You just want to watch a movie along with your friends, just download the thing, just come here, play it on the screen. You can bring your beverages and non-alcoholic and snacks and food. You can just chill about here. This hour basis, I think hourly basis they do charge. So the contact will be right here in the description. So do contact here. This is an amazing space. I don't think so Mangalore has something for public like this. So this is it.
So good. Husband pandar bolle to jarare.
Husband avla
bale friend bale
friend bani
nana hero na friend idupodadu nana.
Oh, husband ge ana bodila and boddi heroine.
So heroine illa. So inchando da expedition nikala.
Actually it's a first project the leader ತುಂಬ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮುಜಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ದಿತ್ತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಲೀಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಹೆರಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಮಲ್ದಿತ್ತ ಲಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಾಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಾದ್ ಅಂದು ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಹೆರಾ directed it. So this is the second project for her, and under her direction we all casted. And yes, Nicola I can hear video toward first because what is the reaction korodu ki first lead enja tojudulla and both of us. So yeah, she was
share your experience, Nirma.
I'll have it in English. It was a very nice experience. I had a very good opportunity to have a platform like this. Thanks to Loison Corda and thank you to Hera Pinto for casting me with her husband.
ನಡಪುಂಡು ತರ್ನ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶೂಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೊಡ್ತೇರಿ ನಡಪುಂಡು ತೂಕ ಅಂಚೆನೆ ಉಂಡಿತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ತೂಕ ಎಂಚ ತೋಜುಂಡು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ತೂಕ ಎಂಚ ತೋಜುಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ನಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Loison Corda.
He's a singer. I think this is his sixth video production. So he's been, I think every year there's one new project that he comes up with. He has an amazing and excellent voice. Also today is his wedding. So that is why this story is also special. So when he contacted me arpanterra yenna actually madme adinane enga release malpare board and he wanted like a love story that moves from a younger couple to the same older, the older self of them. So then we had to sit down and think about a concept, and we brought in something. So it's special for him, it's special for us as well. So let's see how are the reviews and the feedback of all of you after you watch this.
Yeah, ಸರಿ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ. ಇತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇಟೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನಾರ ಕೂಡ ರಾವು ಸೊ ಅವು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸಿಂಗ್ ಉಪ್ಪು ನಿಕಾಲ ಪಡ್ದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಒಂಜಿ ತೋದು ಜನಕ್ಲೆ ಬಿಡ್ಪಿನಂತ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆವಡು ತಮ್ಮ ಮೇರಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಪ್ಪನ ಅದು ಹೀರೋ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಕಾಲದಂತೂ ಯಾರು ತಿಕ್ಕನ ಹೋಪ್
ಹೀರೋ ಬರ್ಚಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಿಲನ್ ಬೋಡಿಗೆ
ಸೊ ನಡಪುಂಡು ಹೀರೋ ವಿಲನ್ ಆನಲ್ಲ ಹೀರೋ ನೀರೇ ಹೊಡೆತ ಅವ್ನು ನಡಪುಂಡು ಹೀರೋ ಯಾಪಲ್ಲ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎರಡು ಜನ ಕೆರ್ಪೆ ವಿಲನ್ ಅಂಚದ ಪೂರಕ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆರ್ಪೆ ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಆಡಲ್ಲ ಬೆಟರ್ ಸೊ ತೂಕ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಚತೋಜನ ಇದು ಮುಂದೆ ತೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ
yes ready out tule video song tule 5:30 release on ni reaction panle eklo suit apana screen
ಪಾಪ ಬೆಗರ್ ಒಂದುಲ್ಲೆ
ಓಹೋ ಏತ ಕೇರಿಂಗ್ ವೈಫ್ ಇತ್ತೇನೆ ಸಿಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಗ ಐಕೆ ಯಾರು ಮರಿ ಬಂದಕುಲ್ರಿ ಯಾನ್ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಜಾಗ ಎನ್ನ ಬೇಲೆ ರಗಲೇಜು ತೊಂದರೆ
So actually Nilima is super fresh to this industry. Already, I mean, in Naveen Billava's beauty pageant, she has won a couple of titles and all of that. Ramped experience under, but on screen as actor, I think it's her first time. How I've discovered her, like a lot of people like undu yeru ponnu from where I know her ever since was 5 years old, like aati kinna ball ettunaga I know her. So now she's become a big grown woman and I thought why not this cute face, and she's done an excellent job. She's done a marvelous job in
Thank
this.
you so much.
She hasn't seen her work yet, so let's see.
ಸೊ ತೂಕ ಪೂರ ಬೈದರೆ
react mandula video tule reaction panle encha
ಮೇ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲಿ ಡನ್ ನನ್ನ ತೋದು ಪಾನಕ
First of all, I would love to thank Loisan Koda. He's getting married there. I think he's almost got married now. So let's pray for him for a happy married life. He has given us this project and I got this opportunity to write this song and direct this song.
Oh, you
and
wrote the song?
Yeah, wrote matlab, not the song, the screenplay. Yeah, the screenplay. The direction and the conceptualizing of the song. And then I thought, okay, let me cast my husband, who is a hero already. And my eyes are tearing because of the AC. It's not me, no, it's because of the AC. And then when I was looking for the female cast, I said, okay, why not Nilima? And then she had that cute, perfect face that I really wanted. And
I know her first. But the vacation of virus नहीं मांगे वाला कभी काटे.
Oh, Nilima, I know her ever since she was a 5-year-old child. So I know Nilima's older brother. He was my friend Neil, who also happens to celebrate his birthday on your Neil's birthday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I told you last time. Yeah, so that's that. I'm not getting emotional. This is the AC effect. Sorry. And then yeah, they got in. That was the cast. And then Mervyn is my dear friend who helped me in the direction. Technical stuff, I cannot express myself technically. I have ideas in my head and I cannot. So Mervyn was a great help for me in putting all of this together. And then now Loisan had this idea that he wanted like the younger couple and then the older couple. Now who is the older couple? If I bring one husband and somebody else's wife, I can't ask them to kiss and hold and all of that. I wanted somebody who is a married couple.
ಸೊ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ
Chemistry, exactly. Then I found it in you guys. And yes, that happened. So the casting was done right, finally. And then of course we have I was looking for an assistant or rather a help or a friend during the shoot, and Preksha, when I put out on social media, Preksha said yes, and I was so happy. Preksha, you are an amazing friend during the project. Sean, thank you so much for bringing all the goli budgets. And he not in time, definitely not in time. And mummy always there for the support. तुझे background support दो एक लेट दडला करा कर बस लगा. Just kidding. And Shama for always being there. Raz, thank you so much for after parties. Suraj and Simran for creating us a hype and giving us a love. So, and thank you so much for coming here as well. Chuman, thank you so much for this. So this is it. We would love to know what your reaction is. Now you guys have seen yourself on screen. Lloyd and Nilim have done an exceptionally great job. They look super nice. I hope you loved their chemistry. You take chemistry, so कितने वर्ष वाली 26? No, for your chemistry. 42 years of wow. So thank you so much. Thank you, Lloyd, for first time not shouting at me for my work. He just let me do what I had to do. He just appreciated me for the first time.
No, his acting also is very natural, you know.
Very well. Even Nijima also so nice.
It's natural.
Natural, yes.
Now,
More than us, I could see your chemistry, like you know,
Your chemistry was wow. Your chemistry
it
was
was so
wow.
nice seeing you both. It was very natural. Very natural. So please, what do you think, Mother India?
I'm
तुझ्या
blessed.
baby कोळवलं कशी झाले तुला?
Very good. Very, very young.
Please share your reviews.
Yeah, keep watching
Keep watching what?
the same.
On loop.
Yeah, make no reviews.
No, that person. What is loop now? Loop? This needs a special vlog altogether.
Watch it.
Okay. Loop is another side. Please give your reviews about what you felt. Please, somebody start off.
Yeah, Shutterbox. Shutterbox, yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's here. No, he's not. He's in Kuttapur. So when this project came to me, I knew that if I had to comfortably work with somebody with some humor and fun along with the team, it had to be my Shettre. It had to be Sachin Shutterbox. So, oh yes, and he's too good with his work. Like, calm and patient, Sachin? I don't think so. I don't think so.
No other life.
That's where I saw his face. Yeah. Right. I can't take makeup and AC together.
Very natural. And the placement, like you know, which shot need to be done, where need to be done. That also your work is fabulous, and especially you can direct one movie now. After this,
Producer, I'll be the director.
it's amazing, and you guys also, it's amazing.
Okay, so first of all, very cute. It was very, very cute. I think one of the most cutest videos I've ever seen. And also, it was so wholesome. It was like it's a very feel-good video. To be honest, I don't understand that much Konkani. I know it's a love song, but I felt like for the first time, I felt like the words didn't matter. Like the people who were in the the video did so much justice that the feelings just came out, and it was beautiful. It was really, really nice. Yes, you guys were cute, but I'm sorry, Uncle and Auntie just stole the show. I'm sorry to say, but you guys were brilliant, as it is. But Uncle and Auntie were like just very nice. So I'm very happy you got me.
Thank you.
And I was like, when is the next part coming? Like, where is the movie? Like, what's going on? It feels like like a cut. So make something.
Okay, I will make something.
Yeah.
Next part.
I
Yeah,
will make
do
something.
that.
Yes.
So yeah,
Thank you, Shama.
very nice.
Ask Uncle and Auntie, Mr. Patrick and Mrs. Lauren, about their experience. It's their first time acting in a video project, and they didn't look like. Uncle is a captain, and he has almost zero experience in front of the camera. it was so fun to shoot Uncle. Auntie was natural, but it was so fun to shoot Uncle, you know, to give him the directions and then him taking it, he cutely doing it, and then like, no, cut to it once again, Uncle. But the output was mind blowing. So, how does it feel for you guys to see your work on the screen?
Oh yeah, it was definitely a wonderful experience. I'm used to acting like that, but having my husband doing it was something which is never expected how good it came out on video. Yeah, and all thanks to Greta for Hera for making this video and bringing us out also in public. Yeah,
First of all, I said I will not do it. Then I decided, why not try? Give it a try. It turned out to be okay, I suppose. Not bad for the first time.
yeah.
But I'm a shy guy, reserved guy.
But it has definitely come out good.
So first of all, I said no, नहीं करेगा. कभी किया ही नहीं, क्यों करें?
Expect more projects.
Yeah.
No. Took up a challenge.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience,
So
undoubtedly.
other day in the Rotary Club, my friend Olivia asked, "तू act करेंगे?" नहीं लेकिन थक ले मुझे friend जो friend ना ये निकल चले. निकाले करके. Alright.
अभी से तो नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट आ सकता है. अभी तो मालूम हुआ ना, फर्स्ट तो हुआ ना.
देखेंगे. हाँ जी हाँ हम.
Yeah, now he can, I think.
Second career.
Which first one I never expected. Oh my God. My family, especially his siblings, Patrick and Gelengi.
So there was
They're so shocked. Kali mutta ilone. Wait, don't fool me, Celia, his younger sister. I said, no, I'm not fooling Patrick and Tupole. I have to link that. Tupole. Definitely, I must see. How did you convince him to rain came account?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು.
Yes. More than for me, he did it because for my daughter and daughter.
No, I said why not?
He didn't want to disappoint my daughter, and
It's so nice to see him be so supportive of you. He was like, Auntie likes to act, she likes to perform. He told you. Yes, he was telling me that.
don't cry. I know. Okay, could be, yeah.
First I said I will not do it.
You may be the young couple, but in real, I feel you guys are the young couple. Really nice to see. Yeah.
We are very old couple. 40,
Evergreen couple.
42 years.
Yeah.
Reviews from
Yeah.
the very gorgeous Miss Elizabeth. Liz,
I just watched my daughter's first premiere video, and I'm very proud of her. Lots of hard work gone through it. A heartfelt thanks to the cast and crew. Special thanks to Hera for bringing my daughter out.
ಎಮೋಷನ್ ಒಂದು ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೌನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ಕಾಫಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ ಸಂಚ ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಇಡಲ್ಲ ಫೈನಲಿ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಪೂರ.
Thank you.
thank you, my sexy.
Thank you.
Delicate.
Yeah. Your expressions were so
It was
good.
very natural.
Yeah, very
Y'all were like trained.
Well, I would say, it's not often that you find a music video with good visuals and audio, right? The song was beautiful. It was sung even more beautifully, and the video was like perfect thanks to Hera and the team.
No, I must watch the words. Words also got a good meaning.
I couldn't understand the language, so I cannot catch that. But it transferred the emotions to the viewer, so that it was excellent, I believe. The locations chosen were really fantastic. Apart from that, what else would I say? The concept, using pottery, it's not something I'd see often, and all these things were beautifully done. Congratulations to the team there.
Yeah, quite an amazing video. I think it gives you a very natural sense of love. When, of course, Lloyd and Nilima, they were amazing and very cute. We can relate to it because same age group and that way. But the minute Auntie and Uncle was sitting for a picnic, and I think he said something, and there she was smiling. Oh, It's a hope I feel for the younger generation. This is what I want to aspire for. I can see actresses, I can see an actor. Maybe I'll not connect, but I can see them here. I can see how natural it was. They didn't need to act. Auntie said, "Oh, I can act." Uncle doesn't. But uncle was like, "Bro, give me a cut." And you're saying, you said, "I can act," but uncle doesn't act. But the minute he had to go as a cue from that library scene, and he just comes like this, like, "Main tera hero." He just had to do this and done like. That line, it was too good. And I'm waiting. It seems like it's not over. It seems like there is more to come. That pot that he keeps last, that someone's going to be continued. To be continued. There needs to be a to be continued for it. Yeah.
He just got married right now.
Yeah.
So to be continued, yeah, his story is beginning now.
It seems like there's a part 2 to come, and I think that's a very good thing, because we're looking forward for more of your work. We're looking forward for more of their work. And Uncle Auntie, more. We need more. Lloyd and Nilima, you were amazing. So I think the cast also will grow with it for the next video. It'll be amazing. Great job, and even the singer has done really, really well. So good job, guys.
Seeing the movie, it don't distract. So
No, but
only listen.
Lloyd's voice is too good.
The words are good
I'm
actually.
first time hearing him.
You got
too
meaningful words.
Yeah. Meaningful words.
Okay, let's come to the hero and heroine now.
Oh, Arj?
See, you all have listened to the comments and response from all the member of the team and outside crew also. So the response was good. I mean, that's all. And what I say, it was heart touching. I mean, it was good. Like it's the first project for us, and we also don't have much of experience in acting, but we try to do our best. And when there is a positive response from everyone, is always feel good about it, and always feel like doing more of it. So thank you, especially thanks to my wife Hera, because without you see, next time everyone I say that when you don't have a story or screenplay, contact her, she'll find something. And especially and apart from that, she's so good with that. Whatever she does, she's good with it. And you have seen that the previous work also, and now also you have seen it, and it's very good, amazing. Personally, I liked it.
We all liked it.
Yeah.
We all liked it.
ಒಂದು ಪೂರ ಖಾಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಜೋಕ್ ಅಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ನೋಡು ಜನ ಕೇಳುವರ್ ಪಂಡ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಪಂಡ್ರ ಬಂದೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪನಕಲ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಪನೋಡು
ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಪಡ ದಾದಾಪುನ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟೆ ಕಾರು ಕಟ್ಟದ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಪ್ಪಾಗ ಇಡೇ ಪಂಡ ಗ್ರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ
ನಾನು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆತೆ ರೊಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಗುಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूं, लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
ಒಂದು ಪನ್ನಡು ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತೋಡೆ
ಅವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎರಡು ಪಕ್ಕ ಪಂಡ್ರೆ
ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲವು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಬಕ್ಕ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಪುಡೆ ದೆನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಲಿಮಾ as you have seen their first project for them, and maybe our auntie is active with the
actually took it.
yeah, but uncle also looking very natural in it. It's so good, and I really like them. I mean, as a couple on screen for sure, and they are portrayed as a natural acting of their skill and talent. So thank you to all of them, and thank you to the crew, and hope to do better projects in future. Thank you all.
Yes, Nilima, what's your opinion? Lloyd took all my words. I'm awed by this video that we've seen. I've worked very hard. Thank you to Hera and Loisin and everyone in the crew to provide me this platform, and I'm just hoping y'all can shower your love and support for this video.
give me more movies
Thanks for the opportunity.
If it was not for Hera, I wouldn't have.
I know
ಸಂಗಿ ಮೆಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟ
ನನ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಉಂಡು ಎಂದ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಉಳ್ಳಾರ ಅವಳು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತೇರು
ಬಕ್ಕ ಬಕ್ಕ
ಮಗಲ್ನ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಕ್ಕ ತೂದ್ ಎಂಚ ಅರೆಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಪಂಡೊಂದು ಕೇಳಲೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೇನ ಇರತ್ತೆ ಮರ್ಮ ಏನು ಚೊಲ್ಲೇರ ಇನ್ನೇ ಗೊತ್ತವ್ರಿ
Sean ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಎಂತು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್
ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರಲ್ಲ ಅನೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ That's a gigama. I was sending the link to my friends. Andy and Roshni has messaged, okay? Can't take Lloyd seriously though with another girl. I don't mean he has not acted well, but I mean just in my head I can't imagine him with another girl. Who messaged that?
Very Jumbo is gone back, right? Good.
It's gone back, yeah.
Final effect ಆತನ ಪೂರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
So ಎಮೋಷನ್ ತಿಕ್ಕದಿಂದ ದಾದ ಪಂಡ ಉಳ್ಳರು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಪಜಿ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಬಟ್ ಆಡ ತುನಗ ದಾದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆತನ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಟ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಬಾಯ್ನ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆತರದ ಐಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಪುನ್ ದಾದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಉಂಡು ವಂಚದೆ ತೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬಿಜೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪೂರ ಈಚ್ ಕಲರ್ ಪತ್ತದ ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಅಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಪಿನ ಬಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೀರೋನೆಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡಜ್ಜಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆತನ ಬಕ್ಕ ಮೇಡಮ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಅಕುಲ್ ದೇತೊಂದಿನ ಫುಲ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಕ್ಕಲು ಎಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಕ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೇನ್ ತೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಪುನ್ ಇಡೀ ಎಂಚ ಆತನ ಮೂವಿ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಮೂವಿ ಪನ್ನಂದಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಮೂವಿ ಬರ್ತಂಗ ಬರು ಪಂಡ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನು ಮೂವಿ ಲಗನ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ದ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾತನೆ ಸೊ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಭಿ ಬಾಕಿ
Yes.
So
Alright, let's do the three cheers. Hip hip hooray. Yeah, three cheers. Everyone, right? The cast and crew and everybody. Yes. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. And hip hip. Hooray. Board Gaming Cafe.
ಸೊ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಂಚ ಅಂಡಿ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮರ್ಮನ ಆಕ್ಷನ್
ಲಾಯ್ಕ್ ಆತಂಡೆ ಇರುವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಗಲು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ದುಂಬುಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಲ್ದಲು ಎಂಕ್ ಬಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಪುಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಂತೂದು ಅಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಆಪುಂಡು ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಗ್
ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ಎಂಚ ಎಂಚನೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇರ ಹಾಕಲು
ಇಲ್ಲಡೆಂಚನೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇರಿ ಅಂತನಾಗ ಇಂಚನೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇರು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎಂಚ ಗೊತ್ತಿಜ್ಜಿ
ಇದು ಏರಿನ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಪೂರ ಕುಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ಮ ಮಗಲ
ಇರುವರ್ಲ ಫೇವರೇಟ್
ಅಣ್ಣ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಂದ್ ಪೆನ್ ಪಂಡ
ಒಂಜಿ ಪನ್ಯರ ಅಪ್ಪಜ್ಜಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟು ಪೂರು
ಚಲೋ ಅಮ್ಮ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ತುಯ್ಯ ಮಾರಿ ಪೊರ್ಲ ಆತದೆ
Thank you.
ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
Mataregla, mast. Thank you. First of all, we had this small premiere screening thing happening right here at Board Gaming Cafe at Malikatta. Ekulna cast baka crew materla ittera. Sachin baka Marvin ittijera, but the rest of them were here. Thank you so much. Ee link ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಉಡುಪುಂಡು ಸೊ ಲಿಂಕ್ ತೂಲೆ ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಕ್ಕ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ತಿನ ಸಾಂಗ್ Lloyd and Nilima and Uncle Patrick and Auntie Lorraine has acted in this, and Sachin has done the DOP and editing, and there's a lot more. It's a very cute story. It's warm, so please do watch. Support Malpile Enkle Nikula reviews enkorle. Baka chuma neereg mast de bare koru. Dayak Panda ir batid onji enkulna reactions, action, the first look, pura capture maltara. So idna channel igla yan mast edde wishes korbe avod pandyan ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ but you're doing amazing. You're so loving and you're so supportive to all the new talents and everything, so thank you so much, Suman. idna channel igla pura like malpale, subscribe malpale.
ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಪುದರ್ ಪನ್ಲೆ
Sangi met Kartana when we walk together.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Thank you for your support. Ir battaride ar parlekare kudayar padondulle. Thank you in time adu for your time, for your patience, for everything. So through down solmelu na solmelu.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಇದೀಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇದೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದು ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನಾನು ಬಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸೊ ಸಿಗೋಣ ಚಲೋ ಬಾಯ್